Welcome. If you love catching your friends' streams on Discord but keep missing them, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable friend stream notifications on Discord mobile, so you never miss a moment when your friends go live. This guide is up-to-date, quick, and super easy to follow. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Tap on it to enter the notification settings. Here, you'll see a variety of options that control how and when Discord lets you know about different activities. What we're looking for is the option that says Get Notifications when your friends stream. It might be a little bit down the list, so just keep scrolling until you spot it. Once you find it, you'll see a toggle switch right next to it. If it's gray, that means notifications are currently off. Simply tap the switch, and it will turn blue, indicating that notifications are now enabled. That's it. You've now set up Discord to send you a notification every time one of your friends starts streaming. No more missing out on those fun gaming sessions or live chats. Whenever a friend goes live, you'll get a friendly ping right on your phone. If you ever want to turn these notifications off, just repeat these steps and toggle the switch back to gray. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Discord tips. See you in the next video, and happy streaming.